Excuse me. Hi, what's up? My name is Rishabh. Actually, मैं अपनी girlfriend का wait कर रहा हूँ. So I'm actually going to propose her for the first time. She's my friend. आपका नाम मंजुलिका है ना?
My surname is Munjal, not Manjulika.
Okay. I'm so sorry. Actually, I was supposed to meet my friend. She looks like exactly like you. बहुत पुरानी मेरी दोस्त है. Yeah, so I still have to give it a try. She's coming like 2 minutes में अभी वो आने वाली है. And I also bought a ring for her, like this small piece. And she sort of looks like you. It's like the sort of features you have, Hanka. So I actually bought her a ring.
When did you?
I noticed. कि मैंने वहाँ से notice किया.
Are you serious?
हाँ, मैंने उसके लिए ये रिंग खरीदा है just to propose her. By the way, I was wondering कि ये उसको fit आएगा कि नहीं आएगा क्योंकि अभी उसका measurement तो लिया नहीं मैंने. But she like sort of like hand का जैसा shape है आपका, उसका भी same है. So if I can try this in your hand.
मजाक कर रहे हो?
No, I'm not making jokes. I actually bought a ring.
Wow.
मैं उसके लिए ring लेके आया. So I'll be proposing her right here. She lives वहाँ पे. She's coming down, so I'll pick her up and then we'll go somewhere.
Okay.
So what I was wondering, I could like if this ring fits in your hand because अभी मैंने test out नहीं किया है. Can I just test out if it fits in your hand so I can make her like.
That's so inappropriate.
I know, but I need a help. Please, मान जाओ. Like just 2 minutes.
Okay.
So it's that is a ring finger. So sort of like fits perfectly, right?
No, I think it's a bit loose.
It's a bit loose.
Yeah?
मैं tight कर
Is she
दूँगा.
fat?
No, she's not fat.
Well, then this is a really big ring.
Because it's very similar to her, so I'll just try it out. Oh, बहुत सही से fit हो रहा है. By the way, it's been 2 minutes, and also I don't have a girlfriend. It was basically you. I was trying it on you.
Oh.
Okay, yes. The thing is, जो आपकी आँखें हैं, that looks like my first crush I had in my school. It's very similar to that.
So I remind you of some other girl?
You remind me of my first love, not some other girl. It's just you. अगर मैं try कर सकता, like I hope it fits perfectly.
Yeah, it does fit perfectly.
Oh, it fits perfectly. Nice. That is great. She will be happy.
Yeah.
Also, she doesn't exist. Yeah, so कोई girlfriend नहीं है, and it's already been 2 minutes. She hasn't arrived, so that means I was actually.
So it was like.
It was a trick to get to you. Yes.
Okay.
By the way, can you tell me something? आपके पास कुछ abilities हैं? Like, can you hear stuff and things? Do you have certain
मेरे
abilities?
पास कान है, मैं सुन सकती हूँ.
नहीं, like different dimension की बातें. Because I can hear universe talking to me saying, take her on a date, take her out, ask her for number, maybe a romantic film. ऐसा कुछ मेरे को आवाजें आ रही है.
Oh.
Can you hear?
I can't hear, but जब मेरे को universe कुछ बोलता है मैं मना नहीं करती.
It's you who I wanted to try this thing on. Because मेरे को लगा आपके बैग में वो है, आपके शायद बैग में मैग्नेट है ना, चुंबक. Because I'm attracted to you. Look, वहाँ पे देखो, आपका बॉयफ्रेंड आ रहा है, फ्यूचर बॉयफ्रेंड. देखा?
It's not Doraemon.
नहीं देखा. नहीं देखा ना. अच्छा, स्कूल में एक कहावत नहीं है, एक उंगली किसी की तरफ करो तो 3 तुम्हारी तरफ होती है.
How is that related?
I'm pointing towards your future boyfriend and 3 fingers are pointing towards me. So probably I'm your future boyfriend.
Whoa.
Get it now?
Oh my God.
Get it? So you can call me a stalker. I've been stalking you, so you're laughing so much. So if as you said, like you would be impressed by kneeling down. Why not? I'll go down. So hi Manjulika. Manjul.
Just call me Annie.
Annie, okay. Your name is Annie. Hi Annie, what's up?
Hi.
So as मेरा जो imaginary दोस्त है वो नहीं आई है. So क्या आप मेरी दोस्त बनेंगी? Okay. So how about I get your number?
Okay.
Huh?
Sure.
So you are single.
I could be.
You could be single.
I could be, but why would I?
How okay. So how about I take your number and see if you really are single? Figure it out throughout the number.
You can't really do that. Truecaller does not show you that.
No, Truecaller won't show it, but true dates might.
Oh wow.
Anyways, yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much. You can keep the ring. जाके अपने boyfriend को दिखाना कि ऐसा standard होता है. Okay. चल भाई.
But I'm glad, like on Delhi streets, something like this is actually happening, because otherwise it just gets too boring. So
Oh,
I'm grateful that you did something.
nice.
Like
I'll call all of my friends who makes prank. Hey, fit on her. And she has the same.
this. What just happened?
गटर में चला गया.
Oh my God!
अबे यार.